A cough looks small, but sometimes one cough can disturb your sleep, your routine, and even your breathing. So why does coughing actually start? Welcome to LifefuelHub. Today we will explain why cough happens, the warning signs you should notice, and the best natural remedies you can use at home without medicine. Why cough happens. Coughing is your body's way of cleaning your throat and lungs. It usually starts when virus or flu irritates your throat, dust or cold air enters your airway, allergy is triggered, acid reflux reaches your throat, you drink cold things when your body is weak. Your body forces a cough to push out irritation and mucus. Symptoms you may feel: dry or wet cough, throat irritation, chest tightness, mucus buildup, difficulty sleeping, weak voice. These symptoms show that your throat or chest is trying to protect itself. Natural remedies without medicine. Ginger honey mixture. Ginger warms the throat and honey reduces irritation. Warm water regularly. It keeps your throat moist and clears mucus layer. Salt water gargle. Helps reduce throat swelling and kills germs. Steam inhalation. Opens chest congestion and makes breathing easier. Black pepper plus honey, a very old remedy that reduces cough naturally. Avoid cold items, no cold water, ice cream, or chilled drinks until recovery. Remember, if cough lasts more than 7 days, or you feel chest pain or difficulty breathing, you should visit a doctor. The Life Fuel Hub, helping you understand every day